How to enable two-factor authentication on Fortnite on mobile. So if you want to enable two-factor authentication for Fortnite on your mobile, then what you need to do is you need to just open up your browser at first and search for Epic Games. Now you need to go with store.epicgames.com, which will take you to the website. You need to go and log into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. After tapping on the 3 horizontal lines, you need to just go with the settings menu, or just simply go with your profile, and from your profile you need to go with account. Now once you're on your account, you will have this kind of interface. Make sure that you're on your desktop side. Now here on the top right you will have a drop down icon. So as you can see that here on the top right you will have the drop down. You need to tap on the drop down, and here you will have all of these options. You need to go with password and security section. Once you're on your password and security, you will have this kind of interface. So in my case, I've already turned on my two-factor authentication, but if you've not turned on your two-factor authentication, then you need to just go with your two-factor authentication. You'll be able to tap on setup under two-factor authentication. You need to tap on setup, which will be on the right side, and once you tap on setup, it will ask you to enter your phone number. You need to add a phone number and then go with continue, and you will receive a security code to your phone number that you've just entered, and once you enter that security code, your two-factor authentication will be set. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.